be giving you a review of the My Lead Gen Secret platform. I am committed to giving you the tools and resources that you need to help you grow your business. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, if you are a marketer and you're looking to generate leads for the My Lead Gen Secret platform or any other opportunity that you have, I want you to stick around to the very end of this video because I will be able to show you how you can get access to 200 fresh targeted leads within the next 24 hours. So stick around to the very end for that, right? So back to My Lead Gen Secrets. You can see here that they say that you get 100 leads every single day without having a website, without using paid traffic, all for $1 a day, right? So this is what you actually get as a member of the My Lead Gen Secret platform. You get 100 drip-fed business opportunity email subscribers to your contact list every 24 hours. So every 24 hours, you get 100 leads added to the system. You can use the system to actually email these leads, right? So you get done for you an emailing platform that you can actually email them from within, so you don't have to export the leads. You get to earn $5 per month residual for every person that you refer, and you earn $100 bonuses for every 5 customers that you refer within a week, right? So you get 5 customers, get $100 bonus, and you get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, and check as well. Now, as a bonus, right, you can actually get paid up to 5 levels deep. So not only are you getting paid from the people that you refer, but you can actually leverage other people's efforts and get paid up to 5 levels deep. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to log into my back office. This is the home page. I'm on this home tab here, and it's $30 to set up your account and then $30 monthly fee after that, right? So if I scroll down here, you can see every day you get 100 leads. They show up here, and you can see the leads that you got yesterday, and if you got any bonus leads, you can see them there. And then all the previous emails that you've sent, you can see them there. And then here you can see your stats as well. So you can see how many emails were opened, how many were clicked, what's the open rate, and what's the click-through rate, right? So all that information is there for you. And then under leads here, you can get your leads, you can export them and all that good stuff. And then master email swipes. You can actually upgrade to get these email swipes and then get these in the platform so that you can just, if you want to use the platform to sell itself, then you can just send these emails out. You don't have to worry about what to say and how to say it and all that, right? And then they have a mailing system where you can come in and send that email to your list as well. Every 24 hours, there's a countdown. You can come in and send that email. And then statistics here, you can get stats about the emails that you've received, right? You can see how many people were sent to, how many opened. You can just look through that and see how you've been doing. And then the affiliates, if you want to promote the opportunity, you can actually see you have promo tools, you have your commissions, your downlines, you can see that there. But the promo tools is good because you have these splash pages. So this one here that I have is the second one here, right? And you can scroll down. There's just different tools that you can have, email swipes, there's banners and everything that you can use. And then, yeah, that's how simple it is. It's a very simple, very clean platform. So as you can see here, I use the program, and because I use so many other platforms as well, I didn't find that I was making headway with this platform, right? So if you do your YouTube search, you might find that you find other people who are doing well in it. But for me, with all the different other platforms I was using, I found that I was better off using the other platforms. But for $1 a day, 100 leads, you can't really go wrong. So it's up to yourself if you think that this is worth you investing in, or even checking it out for a month or so. But If you are a member of the My Lead Gen Secret, or you're an affiliate marketer and you have other platforms that you market and you're looking for leads, then I want to invite you to actually click the link in the description, and you can watch the short 3-minute video here and then create your free account with this platform. And as soon as you create your free account, you are going to start to see you're going to get 200 leads in the members area. And there's going to be, if I go to my members area here, this is the home page. You can actually follow the steps, and this video shows you exactly how it works. But just here under my network, here is where your 200 free members will appear. And just to show you what they will look like, this is the information you'll get. You'll be able to see when they logged in, when they registered. You can see the timestamp there. You can see their full name. You get the email address, and then you can see which country they're coming from. So unlike the My Lead Gen Secret, you can't email them from within the platform. But what you can do is you can export them and then email them from outside the platform as well. Okay, so I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video to the very end. If you found value, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, go ahead and click the button here to create your free account so you can start to get those 200 email leads within the next 24 hours.